So now the PPF is on, it's time to move on to the polishing. We have done some test spots and found the best combinations, so now it's time to do that over the rest of the car. Remove the light scratches and marks that gets from the dealership before we go on with the coating. But yeah, the PPF is looking really nice. So many bits on this bumper. And also obviously we did the seals, so they look super glossy. We've covered up the wheels as well, just so they don't get any dust on them. So we've got this deeper scratch here on the, it's just the rear, or sort of the C-pillar area. It goes all the way along. You can even see it without the light, but it's a little bit easier with the light. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out. So that's going to leave a lot more work than the rest of the car, because the rest of the car's just got the lighter marks. So that's after just 2 cuts. We are at the point where the paint gauge is saying the paint is actually too thin. So I think that's probably someone at the dealership's already polished that multiple times. It might have been a really deep scratch, so we're just gonna try and remove it to the point where it's less visible, but it won't be completely removed because I'm not gonna risk burning through the paint on this brand new car just to remove a scratch. It's quite difficult to see in the different lights. So that's the RS6 all wiped down and ready for coatings. You see it's looking super glossy and ready to go on. So that's everything done on the RS6. We did PPF on the front bumper, the door cups and the sills, as well as the luggage strip. And then we did a new car detail with Crystal Serum Ultra on the rest of the paintwork. And you can see it's looking amazingly well. Super glossy, very dark, very slick. The Sebring blue is such a lovely colour. Really works well on these cars.
So why is it so hard